Hotel North Apron, ready for departure.
India Hotel via Delta 1, report lined up, runway 08.
Via Delta 1, report lined up 08, India Hotel.
Kemble information, Golf Bravo Papa Alpha Foxtrot at hotel, requesting airfield information and engine start.
Golf Bravo Papa Alpha Foxtrot, good morning, Kemble information, pass your message.
Golf Bravo Papa Alpha Foxtrot is PA28 at hotel, 2 POB for a 1 hour sortie to the south.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, take you with 08 right hand in east, the QNH 1022, your start approved, call ready for taxi.
08 right hand, QNH of 1022, start approved, and I will call ready when ready for taxi, Golf Alpha Foxtrot.
Golf Victor India departed to the south, crest frequency change to Bryce radar 124.275. Golf Victor India, roger, free call Bryce radar, connect.
Golf India Hotel lined up 08.
India Hotel 08, take off your discretion, the surface wind is 0605.
India Hotel. Perfect day. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? It's nice to be a passenger and not have to worry for a while. I admire your confidence. This is the first time I've been in an aeroplane in months where I've actually been able to see out. Oh, okay. Yeah, I suppose. Under the hood all the time. Stop over with. Traffic Golf India Hotel, long final 07. Traffic Golf India Hotel, final 07. There were cables right across the road, he had those taken down, and the far end there were electricity cables he had buried. Okay. He spent a lot of money and there were lots of trees here. They, funny enough, died. I'm not sure why. Something to do with the bark being...
I guess that's why this tarmac doesn't have the correct markings, because he obviously doesn't want to identify it as a runway.
It's not a runway, it's just a
It's a driveway.
driveway. Well, there's the gate, just on the right. But you see the pylon for the power cables, those went right across. So he had those paid for it, had them taken down and buried. I mean, that must have cost a few